Thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Heather and I'm the Songbird Stamper, and I'm here with another cute 3D project for you. Perfect for Christmas, craft fairs, little gifts. It's this gorgeous acetate box and it fits these mini Lindt chocolate balls just perfectly. And I've decorated it using some of the most gorgeous designer series paper. Now this is a celebration product, so it's no longer available from Stampin' Up. But I reckon quite a few of you have probably got some of this in your stash, and isn't this cute? So I'm going to make it using these products. However, if you're a stickler for kind of now, this is again Christmas using the Be Jolly stamp set, and he is just as cute coloured in. But I don't know, polar bear wins for me. I wonder which one's your favourite. I might do a poll. Polar bear or Santa Claus? I say polar bear. So I am going to show you how to make this. Now these acetate card boxes or acetate boxes are really, really good. Let me just zoom you out a little bit and show you. So they come in a pack of 10. Again, from Stampin' Up, and all you've got to do is make them up. So you just fold them, fold the edges down there as well, and then crease these. These can be a little bit awkward, but I just kind of crease it between my thumb and my forefinger, and then fold that flat over and tuck that in. Fill it with whatever treats you want to fill it with. It also fits in these cute Santas. They're from Lidl, so it fits in those as well. I'm not going to fill this one up. I haven't got anything to fill it up with. It's sad, that, isn't it? I need to get more chocolate, and that's going to go in there like that. And that is your box. So honestly, these are going to be great. Great little gifts. So I've got a piece of designer series paper. This is measuring 7.3 by 25, and all I'm going to do, I'm going to work out which is my front and my back. So this is my front and this is my back, only because I want the Christmas trees to go the right way. And then what I'm going to do is line that up as best I can on there, and I'm just going to fold this. And I'm just making a crease, okay, in those two places. That's what I'm doing. Now you could spend a bit longer on this. I am trying to do this hurriedly, so I'm hoping it's going to work out. And then I use that kind of crease that I've made, and I further crease it. You don't have to do that if you don't want to. I just think that's it gives a bit of a nicer finish. And I'm going to do the same down this bottom end as well. Again, trying to keep it as straight as possible. And I'm just going to use my fingers to make those basic creases. Make sure the two edges line up, and then you can take that away and you can just harden up those crease lines. Again, work out which is the front and the back. So that's the front. Christmas trees are going to go up that way. And then that's going to attach at the back like that, and you've got a nice wrap. It's a little bit off kilter, so I'm wondering, actually I think I made it that way up. Not that it makes a huge amount of difference, but you've got to try and keep it the same way up as you did your score lines. So then a little bit of glue on the back. Can't believe it's only 3:30 and it's getting dark. It's mad. It's been a beautiful day today, but it's getting dark already. So that's going to go on there. I'm going to put a little bit of glue down the front of there as well. Line those up. And then that would just slide on and off in order to open the box up. Okay, nice and simple. Now I've got a piece of designer series paper and a piece of cardstock. The cardstock measures 6.2 by 6.8 and the designer series paper measures 5.8 by 6.4. Simply glue one onto the other. And then glue straight onto your project. These are so quick to make. I'm going to try and make a few of these and give them to my nieces for Christmas. And then I'm going to put a snowflake. Now these are the wonderful snowflakes. I absolutely love these. There's two sides to them. There's a matte white side and a kind of shimmery, shiny side. So you could colour the white side, the matte white side, with inks if you wanted to. But I am going to use the shimmery white side. And so just pop them out, pop a little bit of glue. And then I'm going to stick this on straight. So up and down, straight up and straight down, and in the middle. It's going to go on there like that. And then I've cut this polar bear out of the designer series paper. Again, it's the Playful Penguin, I think it's Playful Penguins designer series paper. And that's the polar bear and the little tree as well. So that was the reverse of that one. There's so many characters. So many characters in that designer series paper. You could choose whoever you want, but I think this one just works nicely, the shape and the size of him. And he's going to sit on here. And then again, I've just cut out that cute little tree. Can you see how quickly and easily you could knock these projects up? I mean, I have fussy cut out off camera because I didn't think you needed to watch me fussy cutting. But that was all the kind of extra prep work there was, really. Stick him down on there, and then I've just got a few basic rhinestones. And maybe my take your pick tool. Maybe not, because I don't know where it is. Totally organised at the moment, as you can tell. So I'm just going to use my scissors, and I'm just popping a few gems on here. So quick. I almost feel like I've kind of let you down today with the length of this video, but sometimes you might want a quicker video. There we go. You could honestly make those up so quickly. So perfect gifts. Gift in a hurry as well. All you've got to do is fill it up, and I think you get about 2 left over, which is great because they went in my stomach, obviously. So out of every pack, I mean, you could make loads and then you'd have some left over to put in another one, or you could just eat them. Entirely your choice. So that just fits on there like that. Or you could have a Santa. Which one do you prefer? I wonder. Right, that's all from me today. Thank you so much for joining me. It's been a pleasure, and I will catch up with you again soon. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit subscribe and be notified. Click the bell as well, and then you'll be notified of all my future videos and you won't miss out. All the details for this will be over on my blog, www.thesongbirdStamper.co.uk. And until next time, I wish you happy crafting. Bye for now.